So elevate your career with the DevOps skill, right? So how you can upskill with this DevOps, or maybe you can say with DevOps tools and technologies, how you can build a great future into a DevOps field. So the idea is why this DevOps is so much demand, right? So you need to gain the confidence, knowledge, and hands-on experience with the skills and the tools which is currently used into a DevOps field, right? Then you can beat the market and you can separate from that crowd and you can have a much more better visibility on your resume. Thank you very much. You can subscribe to our channel on YouTube and follow us on Instagram. For more details, you can check on the link given below into a description.